Hey guys, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add shadows to your images in Canva. Once you're in your design, you can click on your image and you want to click on edit. Once you're in edit, you want to scroll down and you see the effects. And here you can find shadow. You can click on it and you can set different shadows. So if I choose a shadow right here, you can see, for example, the drop shadow right now, it looks so none. Have a look at this image. And if I click the drop, you can see that it adds the shadow, right? So you can see the shadow there, and you may want to reposition your image so that the shadow doesn't make the bottom of the image show. So you can click on the image and click on edit, and you can try shadow. So click on effects. Here you find shadow. I'm going to use a different shadow in this case. So let's make, for example, a glowing one, and we can even change the color of the shadow as well. So once you choose that, you can even change the shadow color as well. So here, this one is black. I'm gonna make it, maybe let's make it somewhere like something like this, right? You can change the color as well to bring it up. As you can see, it even looks cool, right? And once you do that as well, you can even change the size or the intensity. As you can see, it's currently at 50. I can make it larger. And so that's it, guys. That's how you can easily add shadow on your images in Canva. Very easy and very simple.